Alright, I'm about to input some equations and solve them with the TI here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 0.5x, that's one of my equations. How I got to this screen was, well, okay, let's just say you turn the calculator off here. Alright, turn the calculator on. You want to go to y equals, and then you've got all your y equals right here. If you've got the equation in y equals form, you can go ahead and put your equation in. So you're going to do 0.5x, that's your first equation. And my next one, I'm going to do 1.5x plus 6, okay? Once I put those in, I can go to a table, or I can go to a graph. So I'm going to go ahead and graph this, and let me see if I can get myself a solution. And I know there's a solution there. So let's say I want to kind of see about where my solution is and how big my window is. I just push trace, and you can see here that this is going to trace along this equation, 1.5x. So already you're teaching the kids how to input an equation, and if you teach them trace, they can literally see how lines work. They can see that this is a line, and therefore they can see the coordinates along the line. So you're not really like holding them back by teaching them how to work on the calculator. You're actually showing them another way to think about a line. If I go up, I can switch the line that I'm on. Now you see I'm on the other line, 1.5x plus 6. So that shows them that lines symbolize actual lines on the graph, and the equations stand for lines. So I'm seeing right down here that I'm probably going to have my solution around the coordinates of negative 6.1 and negative 3.2. And then already you're showing them again that a solution to a system is where the lines cross. So the calculator's helping you teach the kids. All right, so I'm going to go to second table because I want to see the table here. And I can see already, boom, there's my answer. Look at that. And then you're teaching them through looking at a table. You know the solution to an equation when you've got your y coordinates matching. So already I know that there's my solution. And you can teach them how to find y and x intercepts looking at tables. So once again, if you look at, you've got your table here. All you have to do is push second table. If you want to go back to the graph, all you have to do is just push graph. And let's say that I wanted to zoom in. All I need to do is just push zoom. I can zoom in. If I do zoom fit, the calculator will it'll give me what it thinks is the best fit for the window. And so it'll zoom in to what it thinks the best fit is, and you can look at it from there.